What's poppin'?
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real life.
I am outside of my car. I'm leaving on my car. I'm about to get ready to go to Starbucks to start off this day because we about to get a maintenance day or do a maintenance routine type situation. I gotta get waxed. I gotta get my eyebrows done, and I gotta get my lashes done, y'all, because they looking like. And I gotta do my hair, but I'm not gonna do my hair today. I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for that. The hair video is not gonna be an in-depth video or whatever, but yes, I'm gonna do my hair, show you guys a little 1-2, and yeah, let's get the day started. So we at Starbucks, Bookie. Y'all got my Starbucks. Woo! So y'all, I done made it to European, period. What's poppin', y'all? I just finished getting my wax. Okay, a girl is feeling fresh. That's how I be feeling after wax. I wish I could record in there, but I can't never record in there because European Wax Center doesn't allow recording. But that's where I went. And yeah, I don't even know my lady name because I wish I could tell y'all my lady name. So y'all go book with her, period. I used to have another lady. This lady knew, but I like the way she waxed me and stuff. And I always love the front desk lady, y'all. She my favorite. If y'all go to European Wax Center on Bluebonnet and Perkins, okay, y'all know what lady I'm talking about. She is so nice and sweet. And yo, it's giving. She only cool with me like that. That's what it's giving. I'm just playing. But that's what it be feeling like. I liked it. So now we about to go get the lashes on because it's giving. They looking crazy. So we about to go get the lashes on, and then after we get the lashes, I want to go get my eyebrows done. We're gonna see if we got enough time for that, cause I do be laying down for a long time getting my lashes done. But I love the way the girl do my lashes, so that's why I keep on going. And it's been almost 3 weeks since I had my lashes on. So let's see, because it ain't been full 3 weeks, I don't think. But we going to see today if she going to charge me for a refill or she going to charge me for a full set. Because she always say 2 weeks minimum, come get your lashes done, or 3 weeks if that's pushing it or whatever. But I haven't had to pay for a full set when I booked the refill because my lashes wasn't, would they be saying 50% on or some 40%? I don't know, but it's giving. I feel like if I still got some on, Bookie, just do my refill for the price. Okay, and if not, let's wash them all off and redo them all from fresh. But they don't look too bad today. Yeah. So I'm excited to get my lashes on. I go to work early today. I wasn't supposed to go to work early, but I go to work early because my homegirl need me. If y'all don't know, y'all, I do sit and work overnight with one lady. And it's my grandma, period. So, yeah. I'm going to see you when I get to the lash girl. Deuces. Y'all, about to get them lashes done. Yeah. I feel like I showed y'all her place before on my TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok if y'all not follow me on TikTok.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You want me.
Take this. Oh, yeah. It's okay if they see my hair regular. It's a maintenance vlog, period. Y'all about to get these lashes on. Y'all got my lashes done, period. My eyes might be a little watering, but how they looking? Y'all, I gotta pee. I should have peed at that girl shit. But it's okay. We gotta go to the mall. Let me get off this camera before I start walking around like, oh my God. All right, y'all.
You'll try to come back when you're famous.
So So what's popping, y'all? This is maintenance day part 2. Okay, and as you can see, my lashes is done. Hold on. Boom, better. So yes, I'm about to install this wig or whatever. It's a curly wig that I got from Amazon, y'all. And I'm about to bleach your knots first. So that's what we're about to do, bleach your knots. I'm gonna wash my hair. And then after I'm done washing my hair, I'm gonna go to my mama's shop and she gonna break me down and I'm gonna come back home and I'm gonna put the wig on. Okay? This is giving this a lot. And I'm gonna try to do my nails and my toes before I go to my mama's shop. My nails, they're looking trash. Because I cut them down from a long set I had. And then I did my toes. The wig look good. Let me see. I wish I could put it on. My braids was already down. Let me see. Because I gotta plug this on, y'all. But Amazon, alright, can't beat that. $100. 26 inches. 13 by 6. Yup. If y'all want to see the details on this, I'm going to do an in-depth video on the wig. Period. But I mean, it makes sense. Whatever. Okay. I'm about to bring y'all in a room with me so I can do my toes. Oh, and waist out my arm. Let's do that right now while we right here. I don't want it to burn me. Trying to hold it as flat as I can. So I can see. Yeah, it do be hurting. I ain't even about to lie. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh! It hurt it.
I always wanted to do first stages. You got something real, not basic.
Okay. Now let's go do the toes and the nails. So this is my little nail setup. Period. Let's get into it.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on his.
Yeah, I'm finally done with my toes. Cute. Cute.
Scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a bad girl. You can get smashed up. Dirty ass, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Dirty ass, yes, baby girl, you need to back up.
That's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around you. I'm not. Long as
Hey guys, time for the nails. Woo.
you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you joking.
So this is the next day and I finally done doing everything. I don't think I ever showed y'all my nails. I'm gonna show y'all a better view of my nails. But yes, y'all, that completes the, let me put my hair down, huh? Because I'm about to get ready to go out of town. This completes the whole get ready with me. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the get ready with me. And yes, period. See you in the next vlog or video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys like the maintenance video. Okay, let me know if you want me to do more. And yeah. Bye.
You joking now for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't